Hello everyone, PJ here from TacBotz. Let's go ahead and create an API key so we can connect Bitget to the TacBotz platform so we can execute trade on your behalf. In order to do that, we will head over to TacBotz. It will be settings, exchange setup, add exchange. From add exchange, we will select Bitget, continue, and we'll name it whatever we want. I'll name it demo test just for now. And we'll head over to Bitget, click on profile, API, from API, create API. We'll name it whatever we want here, and passphrase is just for this, so I will name it just demo123. And the permission that we need is orders, holding, trades, margin trades, copy trading, and that is all we need. Everything else can stay unchecked. So orders, holding, trade, margin trades for spots and copy trading. And we also need the IP address. So we'll switch back over to TacBotz. The IP address that's listed on the bottom here, just click on it to copy and paste it in Bitget. And once we paste it in Bitget, that is pretty much all that we need. Too short. Let's add some numbers. So demo1234, super secure. It's just temporary. I'll delete it later. And from here, just hit next. Now we'll need, if you have two-factor enable, you will need that random key that will be sent over to your email address, as well as the Google authentication code. Confirm, and here's my API key. So from here we'll copy, paste, back to Bitget, copy the secret key, and paste that super secure password that we had created. And if you want to do paper trading, you can do testnet, and it will give you simulated symbols that you can use to paper trade. But for now, we'll leave it on check, and then from here just hit next. The platform will go through the settings to make sure that everything is correct, that it can talk back and forth to Femex correctly, and we are ready to go. That is pretty much it. uh, See you guys on the next one.